The Beatitudes according to Saint Luke. In Matthew we have the Sermon on the Mount, and Luke we have the Sermon on the Plain. The Beatitudes, the blessings. One theologian has called these the Macarisms. The word in Greek for the blessed is Makarios. The word Makarios means a joy that is independent of circumstances. A joy that is independent, doesn't depend on your circumstances. In contrast to happiness, happiness depends on what happens. If the sun is shining, you are happy. If you win the lottery, you are happy. Happiness depends on what happens. Makarios is whatever happens, you are still full of joy. Circumstances do not determine your joy. In all situations, in all circumstances, in the sunshine, in the shower, in the dark days, in the valleys, upon the mountain, in all circumstances, you are full of joy. Makarios. Now look at the readings of the day. The first reading and the Psalm and the Gospel. There are only two kinds of people on this earth. Only two. Not a male and female, not Jew or Gentile, not black or white, not poor or rich, the blessed and the cursed. Only two. You can choose where you want to be, among the blessed or the cursed. Maybe the word cursed is a bit strong word. It's a kind of biblical hyperbole to make the point very clear, to draw our attention. Maybe another word could be foolish. The blessed and the foolish. So who are the blessed? The message is very simple. The blessed are those who, like a tree near the river, the running waters, a tree near the running waters always is full of life. There's always water. In all situations, summer may come, winter may come, there's always water. The tree is drawing water from the stream. It flourishes, it blossoms, it bears fruit. The point is, whatever happens, the tree is filled with life. If you are like the tree on the river bank, if you are like that tree in all circumstances, if God is the river you are drawing from or standing on, the one you are always depending on, the one you always turn to and holding on to, you will always flourish and bear fruit. On the other hand, if you're like a bush in the desert, among the sand, among the dry sand, no water, you are on the verge of dying. On the edge of existence and on the verge of dying, you may die anymore because there's no water. To make this point clearer, I'll put it this way. These questions will help you. How do you build your spiritual life? Or what is your spiritual life built on? Even the meaning of your life, the purpose of everything. Where do you find your security, the meaning and the purpose? Suppose you are building your life on your career. You are among the cursed or the foolish. Suppose you build your security on your bank balance. Again, you are among the foolish. Suppose you build your life, your meaning, your purpose on relationships. Again, you are being foolish. Suppose you build your life on public opinion, what others say about you, whether they like you or not, then again you are being foolish. Because none of those things will last. Your loved ones, your family, your job, your money, no, none of those things are going to last. They will all disappear one day. You can't depend on any of that. Somebody may like you today, but tomorrow they may not like you. Your loved ones are with you today, but tomorrow they won't be there. They may die. They will die. So the Lord says, be like the tree. Be like the tree on the river bank. Always the running stream. Ever-flowing stream. In all circumstances, you are drawing life from God is the ever-flowing stream. Hold on to Him. Hold on to Him. And always draw life, meaning, and a purpose from Him alone.